All right, we're live. We're live. We're back. You're welcome again to the Era Traders Effects. So I'll be sharing my screen right now. So your name and where you're joining us from. Your name and where you're joining us from. I can see um, SKB Trader FX. You're welcome. I think you joined things and Rise and Thrive. Um, my peace. You're welcome from Edo State. You're welcome. Can see you. All right, let's drop the pair. Although I can't see anybody writing now. Okay, let me inform we're live. Okay, your name and where you're joining us from, guys. Meanwhile, we have this trade that's been playing with my emotions, but then again, I'm still here. Okay, I shared it to the Telegram channel. But let's see what happens though. Okay, so your name and where you're joining us from, um and the pair that you want us to do tonight, and the pair that you want us to do tonight. Okay, someone said V25. Someone said V25, so I'll be going straight away. We have 8 persons. Your name and where you're joining us from. Um, Name and where you're joining us from. Also, I dropped something on the Telegram channel. If you're not there, you need to be there so that you can see. I want you guys to take note of this rule, right? Take note of this rule. Rule one: map out daily level. I've thought about levels. There are other deep things to the levels though, but then again, the ones I've taught you, you can maximize them. Map out daily level. Wait for 1 hour rejection. Then you wait for break of level on that's opposite level on M5 or M15. Then target next day level. You understand? That just is a very simple thing. New day, you do the same thing and all that. So let me just show you an example before we dive into what we're doing today. V25. V25 is on a sell, and but let's do something. Let me go to gold and show you guys what I'm trying to say. Like what happened here. If you watch the video, you see that there was something I did. Yes, there was something I did here. That price is going to take out this level. Price already took out that level and it's still pushing. Now see what happened. Let me go to the daily. Let me just remove it. You see that that level is a daily open close level. Let me remove everything. So you see that this level is a daily open close level. And then what do you want to wait for? 1 hour rejection. So he gave us that rejection, and you go and check on the 15 minutes time frame whether it gave any break. So you can clearly see the break here, right here. I'm just showing you guys something. You see that it broke at that level. So sorry for that. So after that break of structure, you now see that price came into there's a kind of an open close level right there. Or you can clearly use this previous support level that on resistance, previous resistance level that on support. So that was the entry. Now, um, I'm doing this because I want you guys to go and practice it. I dropped that breakdown so that you can practice it and see for yourself. Practice and see for yourself. That's basically what why I dropped it. So let's dive into today's. Um, my name is Raymond from Ghana. You're welcome. Munesu from Zimbabwe. Let's do jump. Okay, so after V25, we'll do V75 and we'll do jump. Um, so the guy that asked for V25, so you see that price already took out that low. So we already know that price was coming from here, and price is going to take out this level. I'm not even joking. Price is going to take out that level. Even if I'm expecting a rejection, I'm expecting rejection from this level. But still, this rejection might not even hold because price is bearish. If you look at the, let me look at the, um, let me look at the time, monthly time frame and show you something. So now on the monthly time frame, my trade one they want me. So on the monthly time frame, I think the chart has not loaded yet. But I know that the price is coming from a level. Price is coming from a level. So this drop is going to drop until it gets to somewhere here. Somewhere here. Let me put a line. Somewhere here or here. I tell you the truth. Somewhere there or here. That's where this drop is coming to. So that's my whole view on this because I don't really have much to say. Price has really left us behind. I remember saying that we are not buying this again. I remember saying it, and you see how price failed that level. And if you want to continue sales, let's see. Because I kind of sold this morning, I was in a little profit. I just took out my profit and I was out. So price came into that level, although did not tap into the level that I wanted. It came and did this thing. Still, you can look for sales until it gets to that level, right? You can look for sales until it gets to that level. But it's easy on a massive drop. I might this buy might not even hold. Just take note. Then V75, um, like I've explained the last time. Let me remove all this. This V75 came from a weekly resistance level that already hit this TP right here. And since price have hit that TP, now currently, let me just use what price is doing currently. So price already took out that low. So I'm expecting a retracement to the upside at least, then maybe continuation. So now what's price currently doing? Price is currently at an open close level, rejecting off that open close level. So let me go to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we can clearly see that if that level, if you adjust it, you see that is here. This is the level. You can you can refine your levels to this place, and so this is what I have for V. I need to go back. Let me see where I'm coming to. So I'll have to remove this. So if you look at this, we are looking at entering into half of this zone, and for me, I'm expecting this eye to be taken out. I'm expecting it to be taken out. Let me serve as liquidity. Then we can drop off another level above. So that being said, then I go to my 1 hour time frame. So my 1 hour time frame, this is my projection from this key level projecting to the upside here. And many of us are in this live session, sef. So that being said, let's see if we'll look for a continuation trade. Remember, this is our first entry, that low that's already tapping. And now let's see if we'll see. Let's just use the 5 minutes. Let's just use the 5 minutes. So on the 5 minutes, let's see. Okay, so this was the first entry because that was the first break. Then this was the first zone that price tapped in and moved. And now let's see, price broke this level, and price is currently reacting off, I think, this level. For me, what will happen next, if this breaks above here, then price come here, then we can buy to continue. Okay, that's what I'm expecting for V75 right now. Someone from Malawi, Israel from Lagos. We just have 4 persons here, and after everybody shouting, let's do the live session again and all that. No problem. Then look at jump 100. V75 might give us an entry before the end of this session, so just stay tuned. Jump 100. So jump 100. I need to first look for where price is coming from, a valid level that price is coming from. That's what I'll first do. Okay. So I'm seeing that price is coming from that level. Price must have taken out here. Price are taking out that level. So price is coming from that level and price are taking out that level. And now yes, price currently coming from this open close level. If price is coming from that open close level, let's go to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, price entered that level, dropped. Um, so I'm expecting price to come back to take out this low right here. So since price came to that level, if we're on the chart when price tap into that one level at 1 hour time frame, can as well just wait for the entry. This would have been the entry. This would have been the entry. But nevertheless, but that would have been the entry, following the route that I dropped. Following the route that I dropped, that would have been the entry, and then that way V50 is whining us. He's whining us. He wants to just do his thing, and so that we'll miss it. We'll miss this entry. But it's painful though. It's painful though. But what can we do? So that's that. That's what I have for jump 100. We have 8 persons here. Uppers, top down analysis. All V-spare. V10. Ikechukwu, you are here. You are in the. Okay. You're welcome. All V-spare. Who is that person? I think I will bring you in so that you come and do all the pairs for us. But no problem. V10 that they asked for. First things first, I need to look for where price is coming from. Oh, this V100. Let's look for V10 honest. This V10 honest chart is crazy. Let me show you guys where price came from. Price came from here and already took out its first TP. That's the first TP. Now we need to now look for where price we might likely react from. We have this level, we have this level. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So I'm expecting a retracement into those levels for me, either this level or this level. So for now, I don't really have, but my bias is kind of bullish. It's kind of bullish, either from this level or from this level. Okay, it's kind of bullish. So that's why I have. Let's see V100. V100 is doing something very. It's giving me. Price have already hit this TP and it came into this level, gave a retracement, a massive retracement, and I think I can see a sell currently on V100. So that I'm waiting for price to come into this level here. That level is where I'm waiting for price to come into and sell off. That's the first TP. This is the second TP. Okay, so I'm expecting price to still push all the way up. Then I'll sell off from here to this level. Um, yes, that's what I have. Very nice. Let me save it. So I'm waiting for your for your the pairs that you want me to do. Vita, I've done Vita honest already. Let me see comments from YouTube. Oh, how is my body now? I'm still recovering, safe. If you notice, I did draw nose, but I still have to just try. See me come late. We did together now, Joel. We did together. Great house, great you too. B1000, okay. B1000 not even did my watch list, so let me add it. I don't do all this boom and crash stuff. Okay, so let's see. Okay, clearly I can see price came from this level and has hit the TP. I don't need stress. I don't need to stress on this again. Price have hit the first TP. Um, but I'm bullish because price is coming from a daily level, a fresh daily level that got tapped in. And let's see, let me show you guys that rule that I dropped on the group. I'm trying to explain the rule now so that you guys will not miss out. If you want to edit, you can just manually edit it to this open close level, and that was the entry. So price already hit the TP for this 1,000 buy. That would have been the trade, and from a daily level, a daily support level. That would have been the trade from a daily support level. You get a good one, a quick one. So yeah, this one have already ETP. So bring more pairs that have not ETP so that we can do it. Okay, little time frame entry model. What's the rule again? Look at the rule. When you see your daily level, wait for 1 hour rejection. Wait for a break on 15 minutes or 5 minutes. Then you enter after. You now wait for another entry confirmation. So what that means is that after seeing your daily level, now let me remove everything so that after mapping out your daily level, which is this, right? That's your daily level. You go to your 1 hour time frame. On that 1 hour time frame, what you're basically looking for is just for price to reject the level. It's not like that's where you're taking your entries from or anything. It's just for price to reject from it, right? Just for price to reject from it. And for me, I edited this level to this open close, just slightly to this open close. It was around here, somewhere here. So I adjusted it to somewhere here. You understand? And this week, you can even use half of the week. You can use half of the week. So price came into that level, and we need to see a break on the 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame. So now this is it. I think this is the this boomerang can one person. Okay. So we need to see a break of the opposite direction level. Yeah. We'll add a break of structure to the up. So after that break of structure, what do you wait for? Now, if you look at this, I cannot see any. If I want to look, this is zone that I want to buy from. But let's go to higher time frame like 1 hour to see if we see is a fresh level. Good, perfect. So you will now see that there's an opposite open close level on this level that gave us that entry. There's what we call opposite open close level. But I hope you guys are learning. That's the most important thing. But that's the entry. That's the so you saw I went to the since I'm not seeing on the 15 minutes, I just went to the daily time frame. Those were the two levels, open close level or support level. And most of the time, after your break or structure, most of the time it just comes to the open close level and pushes to the upside. So you get what I'm saying. So that's it. Most importantly, you guys are learning. That's the thing. If you guys are not learning, then I don't think we should be here. That's my goal. That you guys are learning and you guys can practice these things on your own. This week you have been taking losses using this strategy. Then you can use another strategy that best fits your. The truth is, if you are using a strategy, the strategy you cannot perfect the strategy at once. You need to be patient with it. You need to be patient with it. Definitely, you not perfect a strategy at all. So I'm waiting. What other pair? V10 coming from this level, and I'm expecting price to drop to the downside like this. The price is currently reacting off this daily level. So since price is reacting off that daily level, let's see on the 1 hour if we see definitely there's a rejection. Then let's see on the 15 on the 5 minutes time frame if there's a break. If there's a break, then we can okay. We have a break of level. So I'm seeing a V10 buy. Then where will I use? For me, I will just use this zone entry. Here's that daily level. So let me go to the daily too. I wasn't expecting price to retrace off this level though, but since price is retracing off that level, I should target that my expectation. So this is a setup on V10 buy. I think this is a good setup. A good one. A setup on V10 buy. Okay. So let's set this thing our trades. It's a good setup on V10 buy. Following the rules. Following the rules. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, See, it's about to break this 1 hour resistance level, and that open close level is our entry. So it's open close level is our entry. You have not used a strategy for more than 3 months. You want the best out of the strategy. Then you're just that. You need to practice. You need to practice until you are perfect. So this is a good one. This is a good one. So let's check our V75 and let's call the trade right. V75. Let's see if he has given us. Okay. I'm waiting for this break. Once I see this break, then I'm expecting a retracement back to somewhere here, then I'll buy. So, but that break have not happened yet. Everybody is saying they will be live, they will be live. How many persons are we having here? 11. Just imagine. But then again, you guys are welcome. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys. I'm open to your questions, right? On the strategy I dropped, I'm open to your question. You can ask your questions. How to find sweep of liquidity which correctly works? How to find sweep of liquidity which correctly works? Now, when you say sweep of liquidity, you're saying something like this, right? So for me, one of the things I observe is if the sweep of the other block is swelled like nicely, you can clearly use that as a good sweep. And like we used to say, what validates your sweep is your structural liquidity. So there must be structural liquidity before your zone, before you can maximize the sell. So I think V75 is about breaking that zone. Yes, we've had that break. I think we have a trade tonight, guys. We have a trade here, right here. So you see that buy from that level. Here's our target. Okay. To this next level. So price already broke that zone, and we expecting to buy off this level. So guys, this is another entry. So I'm open questions. Questions. Hello, boss. Some of us are new here. Can you take us carefully through the steps? The strategy is very simple. I dropped a video on I dropped a video on Malaysian support and resistance. So you need to watch that to know your key levels. Although there are other secrets to the levels, right? There are other secret way to use it and all that, which for you to get that, obviously, before you get that like next year, I don't think I'm even ready to give it out now. But then again, you get to know which levels are very valid, which levels are very good. Like for example, let me just explain using something like this. A level that, for example, okay, I think I can use this one as an example. So you clearly see that. Let me just show you guys something. If you see an open close level, right? right? Now, some of you pick just the open close level, but now the secret to this kind of pattern that you guys can see here is that I will use my Fibonacci to take the wick of the candle, half of the wick of the candle. So it's that half, that's where I wanna put my entry. So that's why there are more secrets to these things. There are more secrets to these things. But then again, who am I? I'm just a boy, just a young boy. So once you've picked your level, once you've picked your level, what do you wait for? You go to your lower time frame, look for your entries. You see that, so the guy is saying that he has been using strategy and he has been failing. Look at levels that have been working. Look at levels. Okay, this is an open close level. This is an open close level. Although it's not giving me the sniper I want. This resistance would have given me the sniper. Price did not tap in fully. Now look at this. Yes, look at this open close level. If you look, I wanted to draw it here, but price went deep into it. After testing it here, this level is still valid. Can you see how price came into it? So the other key things that you need to know if you truly want to trade this thing very well. Look at a perfect one. Open close, an opposite open close level. This one says you don't need to even go to higher time frame to now look. Just with this, you can get your entry and you're good. That's why sometimes I send entries from daily time frame. Most people don't understand. Can you see that price still came back into the resistance level? You say you have been using it, but it's not working. You have to be patient now. Resistance level again dropped. So um that being said, we're waiting for our V75 trade. I hope and I pray it plays out while we're live so that we can all hop in. But that's not the case, and no problem. What pay? I'm not seeing anybody dropping any pay. I'm waiting. V50. Okay, the V50 that we are currently. Okay, let me show you guys what happened. I will show you guys the whole thing. It's not what we're hiding. Okay, V50 will see drop. I'm not even going to lie, but they just want to whine me. So why I sent that entry was because I'll remove everything I had there. Okay, let me bring back everything so that you guys will see what I have here before you see I change it or something. So you see, so you see, this is the entry. Although the entry itself was even up at the open close level, at the open close level. Well, I'm still expecting more drop, but let me show you guys why I took that trade and the whole idea about the trade. Now, we first of all saw that price reacted off this level. If you were here and wanted to catch this trade from here, what would you have done? You go to your 1 hour time frame. I'm just showing you something. Go to your 1 hour time frame, and when you see rejection, immediately you start seeing rejection off that level. When you start seeing rejection, you go to your 5 minutes time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, what do you want to do? You want to just basically see your break to the opposite side. So now you clearly see that this level broke to the opposite side. Where will you enter from? You can even enter from this other block. That's stress. You can enter here and put your stop loss just above here, and you're good to go. Trading off key levels. Can you see the way it's tanking? Can you see the way it tanked to the downside? Now, what we are trying to get is a continuation trade. It's a continuation trade. And remember, I called that set from that up. And you guys are like, oh, where's the entry? It's the resistance. And you see our pattern clearly. We had a sweep of an eye. We had a break of structure to the down. Then we had our structural liquidity. So there's nothing different. It's the same. it's the same thing. So we have this level, this daily level that's here, right here. On that daily level, when price came into it on the 1 hour, this was why I took the trade. When price came into it on the 1 hour, I saw rejection. Price even broke an opposite support level, right? That was why I was not expecting price to react off this level to give my sniper entry, and I was expecting this drop to the downside. Although me, the sell is still valid. I'm still expecting more drops though. But then again, the market is king, so just allow the market to do what it wants to do. No problem. This was my TP before. That was my TP, and I was just my stop loss very tight. You guys know the way I stack, so my stop was very tight. So, but no problem. I still feel it's still valid though, because I think price came into this open close level. So the sell for me is still valid. You can risk something like this. Good. Stop losses at the high, then TP here. So let me see. I'm in currently bearish on step 400. 400. What do you think? Okay, so I'm going there now. Step 400. Okay, step 400. Okay, I think it's looking juicy, looking nice, but then again, we need to know where price is reacting from. See that there's a break of structure here today because so so yeah, where this is reacting from, just follow structure. Maybe you might just be selling early, so let's just wait. Okay, so now let me tell you something. One easy way to trade is to look at, if you look at this structure now, you see that price has not given us a change of character to the downside. So you selling now is just a probability game. You're just trying to, okay, let me just say follow. Price has not given us a break. So if let me look, okay, if this breaks at least to the downside, then we can say, all right, yes, we are now bearish. If you look, there was a break of sales to the upside. So if this break to the down, then we can say we are bearish. But since we are not having that, although I'm kind of seeing that price is reacting off this level, off that level. But then again, until there's a break of sales to the opposite direction right here, then we cannot expect this to happen. But I hope this helps you. I hope this helps you. I hope that helps you. Okay. Any other pair? Any other pair? Any other pair? Any other pair that will do for tonight? I think what I want to do, see, I want to do a quick, a quick top-down analysis and see if, like this one, I see price reacted off a daily level and poof, this one has already gone. This one is something I'm waiting for. B25 already gone. 75 one is okay. Okay, yeah, I'm sharing this now so that you know. I'm expecting price to react either from this first level or this second level. Some of you don't understand why I picked this level. This level is a very strong level. It's a very strong level. Let's check our V75 trade in case maybe price is giving us an entry. Okay, okay, it's retracing back. Gives us an entry, tag us in, then we're good. So I was explaining something on V75 1S. So on the 1 hour time frame, that level on the 1 hour time frame, so once the price gets here, I will know what to do. But for now, those are the levels that price might react off from. Whether they oh yeah, poof, we're good. Where did this buy come from? Came from a resistance level that turned support. It's so simple. From one key level to another. After this level, you trade to the next key level, this level. So that's why I want to still continue the buy. Then we can look for sales to the downside like this. Key level to key level, key level to key level, key level to key level, key level to key level. As this one not left also, because this kind of reacting from the daily level. Ah shit. Okay. It's kind of reacting from the open close level, but not perfect though. Sometimes they want to warn you, but V100 is looking juicy from what I can see. So guys, you rated off that level, then it gave me a good support level that price can react off from. So something like this can happen on V100. So I have this setup. First TP is around first TP is around this level 913.1371. Second TP is around 827.92. So we have that trade markup right here. So let me take a screenshot. Send to the group. We also have V10 also, so we have a lot of trades waiting. So we also have V10. Let me see where V10 is currently. Whether price has come and tagged us. Okay, price is retracing. Price is retracing. But most importantly, I hope you are learning something. I hope you are learning something. If you are not learning, then this is it. Okay, so that's that. I want to see you're on YouTube. You're supposed to be all right. I'm waiting for another pair that you want us to do. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. This is a very good one. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Ah, almost tagged us in. Almost. Hope your accounts are ready. Once price enters there, you buy. Buy. Then target is far. But you can do your first TP here, which is a very good one. So I think we have a trade. But he has not tagged us in yet. I have not tagged us in yet. So those of you on YouTube, are you going to take this? Yeah, that's what I was just saying just now. So we're in. We are not in yet though, but we're waiting for it to. So I'll just wait for it to tag in. If maybe this is the only trade we take for this session, this live session, then we are good. But that's it. I'm expecting price to tag in, then I'm good. Emmanuel, other Vision 5. Vision 5 is almost at our PY. So it's almost at our PY. Okay. V75 almost at our PY, guys. Almost at our entry. Still don't want to tag us in, wants to whine us. But don't panic, oh. That's what trading will do. It go, they want you. But no panic, no panic, no panic. Tag us in. You are whining yourself there. Don't even get straight. Don't be moved by that thing that you're seeing. Just be patient. Just be patient. If price wants to leave, let it leave you. Rather than it's better it leaves you than you now enter. You don't do that here. We still have other pairs, so let's not just now focus on this one and leave the rest. We have this V10 also, V100 also. This V100. I think V100 is entering the our zone. Yeah, it has started us in. It has started us in. So we're in on V100. Although stop loss is very big for those of you trading a small account. Stop loss is very huge for those of us trading small accounts. Let's see. Let me see. So this is V100. I think stop loss around $5 to get like 27 for this first TP. Then second TP will be around 40 something. Then third TP will be like 100 or thereabout. I don't know, but it's a good one. You can risk it. So let's check our V10 if you are staggering. Okay, still coming down. Then which last one? There was one last one. Okay, our V75. Let's see if you're staggering. If you're not staggering, what's this? Can you guys see this thing? Price almost tap us in. Oh Jesus. Let me see the 1 hour time frame. Eh, I'm not Musha. I'm still waiting for that entry. So this already just gave me liquidity for that zone, which is a very good one. So I mean on this pair, on this buy, once price reaches, take my entry, then I'll buy. I'll start my position. So guys, that will be all for tonight. What's the highest you have had a trade? Okay, I think like 2 to 3 days. 2 to 3 days. It was crazy. See, sometimes I just tell myself that way too. Shey I know they control this market me. Even if I know they look at me, go they move. So why will I be stressing my life and be looking? Sometimes I just I beg, let it do what it wants to do or leave it. You understand? But still, I tell you the truth, even the best of traders have not still some of them still moved by emotions. Some of them still has this problem with psychology. So it's not trading is a war against you versus yourself. So don't go and put your blame on one mentor that somebody gave you analysis. You were supposed to be doing your analysis on your own because of your laziness. You, I'm not saying mentors are good and signals are, although I don't really. It's what I see. If you can see it, you can't unsee it. You understand? So go and learn on your own. Okay, mastering yourself is just the key. Okay, guys, that will be all for tonight. Thank you so much for joining. Really appreciate you guys. See you on the next one on Sunday. God bless you.